Ever wondered what's actually bouncing around a referee's brain when they pull out a game-changing World Cup red card? It's not just about breaking the rules. It's a split-second calculation of safety, intent, and preventing total on-field chaos. Rule number 1 in the official handbook is protecting players from dangerous tackles that could end their entire careers. When a defender launches a two-footed airborne tackle, the referee instantly sees a dangerous missile, not a football play. The whistle blows immediately because allowing that kind of reckless means completely losing control of the entire match. Next up is denying an obvious goal-scoring opportunity, famously known to referees as the ultimate tactical sin. The referee mentally measures the distance to the goal, ball control, and defender positions before making the final call. If an outfield player turns into a temporary goalkeeper using their hands to stop a certain goal, it's an instant ejection. Then there is violent conduct, which includes intentional headbutts, punching, or kicking someone completely away from the ball. There is absolutely zero room for negotiation here, because anger turns a professional football match into a chaotic backyard brawl. Using offensive, insulting, or abusive language directly toward anyone on the pitch will earn you an early shower. At the end of the day, referees don't actually enjoy ruining the party. They are just keeping the game fair. Which historic World Cup red card do you think was the most unfair in football history? Comment below and subscribe.